Plaque accumulation in your arteries may lead to life-threatening illnesses such as cardiovascular disease, stroke, and heart attack. Therefore, it is essential to understand how to clear your arteries naturally using nutritious food and other positive lifestyle choices. More severe instances of this condition may need medication or possible surgery. Over time, a blocked artery develops when fat, cholesterol, calcium, and cellular waste accumulate and build up on the arterial walls as plaque. This may impede the free circulation of oxygenated blood throughout the body. In fact, the immune system releases white blood cells to combat this issue, which results in inflammation. This action may aggravate the blockage. You can start unclogging your arteries by incorporating the following 8 foods into your diet. Number 8. Spirulina. Spirulina, properly known as blue-green algae, is a complete protein rich in essential amino acids that also regulate blood lipid levels. According to a study, alpha-linolenic acid helps decrease inflammation and dilate artery walls. Spirulina is a cyanobacterium that must be used daily. It was used as a single-cell protein and rose to prominence when NASA began using it as a space meal. The blue-green algae biomass has a high nutritional value. Spirulina in its dried form has around 60% protein, 8% lipid, and 5% water. It is a complete meal since it has all important amino acids. It also has essential fatty acids, linolenic acid, linoleic acid, icosapentaenoic acid, arachidonic acid, and docosahexaenoic acid. Minerals such as calcium, iron, and manganese are also abundant in spirulina. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is loaded with antioxidants which contribute to its well-known health benefits, including its ability to stave off cardiovascular disease. Olive oil contains a number of antioxidants, including tyrosol, hydroxytyrosol, and oleuropein, among others. The oil contains polyphenols, which act along with the good fats in the oil to reduce oxidative stress and cholesterol levels in the circulation. Studies conducted in clinical settings have shown that the consumption of olive oil is associated with a 41% reduced risk of developing blocked arteries and other cardiovascular disorders. This may be linked to a decrease in LDL levels as well as an increase in high-density lipoprotein levels, both of which work together to prevent plaque accumulation. Monounsaturated fats, which are believed by many experts to be better for one's heart health, may be found in high concentrations in this foodstuff. Number 6. Green tea. It has been shown that green tea reduces LDL cholesterol. In addition, it prevents abnormal blood clots from forming. Thrombosis or blood clots are the primary cause of heart attacks and strokes. In addition to exercise, dietary modifications, and cholesterol-lowering drugs, physicians may begin prescribing green tea for cholesterol reduction. In addition to lowering cholesterol and preventing blood clots, the polyphenols in tea seem to reduce the oxidation of low-density lipoproteins. This chemical is responsible for arterial plaque. Plaque adheres to arteries, restricting blood flow to the heart. Plaque can also lead to the formation of blood clots. Green tea appears to prevent the buildup and reduce the risk of blood clots as well. A study conducted by the Center for Preventative Medicine at Kyushu University in Japan found that there was a significant difference in the level of atherosclerosis between men who consumed green tea and those who did not. In women, there was no significant difference. The difference was visible in those who drank as little as 2 to 3 cups per day, but was significantly more apparent in those who consumed 4 or more cups per day. Green tea may be useful in avoiding atherosclerosis. Number 5. Fatty cold water fish. Some fish include omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to have a positive effect on high blood cholesterol levels that cause artery blockage. In certain portions of the population, eating herring, tuna, trout, mackerel, and salmon decreases atherosclerosis. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, Oregon Health and Science University researchers discovered that women who had 2 or more servings of fatty fish per week, or 1 or more servings of tuna, had fewer blocked arteries than women who did not routinely consume fish. This advantage is attributed to omega-3, icosapentaenoic, and docosahexaenoic acids, according to the findings. Number 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal and cereals made with whole grains are 2 foods that the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute recommends eating to lower your risk of developing atherosclerosis. Oatmeal contains soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol before your body can absorb it from the food you eat. This lowers your overall cholesterol levels. When you absorb less cholesterol, there is less cholesterol buildup along the artery walls of your body. Additionally, soluble fiber may be found in oranges, kidney beans, black-eyed peas, bananas, and other fruits and vegetables. Put pears, prunes, raisins, and lima beans on your next list of things to buy at the grocery store. Number 3. Vegetables. The fresh produce area of a grocery store often has a wide variety of foods that are considered to be effective medicines for the human body. Plant foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, making them an essential part of any diet aimed at protecting one's cardiovascular health. For example, asparagus, bell peppers, and bok choy are all excellent providers of the B vitamins, particularly B6, which helps reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that has been related to heart disease, as well as C-reactive protein, a sign of inflammation. Carrots and tomatoes, in addition to oranges and bananas, are fruits and vegetables that have a high concentration of carotenoids, including the powerful antioxidant lycopene. It should come as no surprise that the Harvard Nurses Health Study and Health Professionals Follow-up Study discovered that individuals who consumed 8 servings or more had a 30% lower risk of experiencing a heart attack or stroke in comparison to individuals who consumed 1.5 servings or fewer. Number 2. Herbs and spices. One of the simplest and most delicious methods to keep your heart healthy is also one of the easiest. A wide variety of herbs and spices have medicinal properties that help the body. Because they are concentrated versions of plants, herbs and spices keep all of the disease and insect-fighting properties of the original plants from which they were extracted. Spices include compounds that, when consumed, provide added protection against disease to the cells in our bodies. It has been shown that the allium found in garlic may decrease blood pressure, improve blood cholesterol levels, and lessen the likelihood of developing heart disease. Curcumin, which is found in high concentrations in turmeric, has been proven to lower blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. It has been shown that ginger reduces inflammation naturally and also causes the blood to thin. There is some evidence that the sweet spice cinnamon may enhance blood flow and aid in supporting appropriate blood sugar levels. Number 1. Ground flaxseed. Another essential nutrient for supporting a healthy heart is flaxseed. Due to the high fiber content, ground flaxseed may help unblock arteries. Additionally, it is a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid, which is an omega-3 acid that has been shown to reduce inflammatory responses as well as decrease blood pressure. As a result, there will be no narrowing of the arteries. In a study that was conducted in rabbits and published in the year 1997 in the journal Artery-Sclerosis, the researchers discovered that flaxseed prevented the development of aortic atherosclerosis by 46%. Researchers concluded that taking a supplement containing a little amount of flaxseed may be an effective therapy for lowering hypercholesteremia and atherosclerosis. In addition to this, you should ground your flaxseed before using it, as they have a higher omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acid ratio when ground up. On the other hand, if pre-ground flax seeds are exposed to the air for an extended period of time, the polyunsaturated fats in the seeds may decompose, and the seeds may turn rancid. Our hearts never stop. It is the ultimate machine, and as with all machines, you need to maintain them. Eating heart-healthy foods and making lifestyle changes will keep that beating machine happy and healthy. As always, your questions and insights are always welcome in the comments section below. Keep your heart healthy, and we'll see you next time.